If you're comparing window replacement cost in South Houston, TX, the best starting point is getting detailed window replacement estimates from local South Houston installers who understand neighborhood pricing, product tiers, and installation complexity. How much does window replacement cost in South Houston, Texas depends on frame material, glass performance, labor, and whether you need full frame or retrofit service. Affordable window replacement in South Houston, TX 77587 is possible with vinyl options, while custom window replacement solutions in South Houston, TX may cost more but offer a better fit for older openings, unusual sizes, and style upgrades that improve long-term value. Choosing energy efficient window replacement. South Houston, TX means looking beyond price and focusing on performance in the Houston area, humidity, and heat. The best materials for replacement windows in South Houston, Texas typically include vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames paired with low-E glass and insulated spacers. Thermally efficient replacement windows for South Houston, TX climate can reduce HVAC strain. And double-pane window replacement benefits for South Houston homeowners include better temperature control, lower energy bills, and improved comfort throughout the year. Energy Star window replacement contractors in South Houston, TX can help match products to local needs and code requirements. Residential window replacement services in South Houston, TX should be tailored to the home's age, layout, and exposure to weather. Window replacement for older homes in South Houston, Texas often requires careful measurement, custom sizing, and attention to original framing conditions. Historic home window replacement near South Houston, TX may also involve preserving architectural character while upgrading efficiency. For homeowners in South Houston, TX neighborhoods with aging windows, local window installers in South Houston, TX 77587 area can recommend the right approach for structural integrity, weather sealing, and lasting performance. When storm season arrives, impact-resistant window replacement South Houston, TX becomes a smart investment for safety and peace of mind. Impact window replacement for South Houston, TX storm season can help reduce the risk of shattered glass during severe weather, while also improving noise control and security. Homeowners near Beltway 8 South Houston, TX and other exposed corridors often choose reinforced products for extra protection. Licensed window replacement contractors near South Houston, Texas can explain code-compliant options and provide installation that supports both durability and resale value. For homeowners focused on comfort, drafty window replacement solutions for South Houston homes can make a noticeable difference immediately. Old seals, warped frames, and single-pane glass often let in hot air, moisture, and dust, especially in high-traffic areas like neighborhoods near Hobby Airport, South Houston, TX. How to improve home insulation with new windows in South Houston, Texas starts with identifying air leakage points and selecting properly sealed units. Double-pane window replacement benefits for South Houston homeowners also include reduced drafts, better indoor temperature balance, and less condensation on glass surfaces. Vinyl window replacement South Houston, TX remains one of the most popular options for homeowners who want low maintenance and strong value. Vinyl replacement windows for homes near Hobby Airport, South Houston, TX perform well in humid conditions and resist warping, peeling, and frequent repainting. Best window replacement options for homes in South Houston, Texas often include double-hung window replacement in South Houston, TX and surrounding areas, as well as sliding window replacement for houses in South Houston, TX. These styles offer easy operation, dependable ventilation, and compatibility with many home designs across greater Hobby area South Houston, TX. If your home needs more than a standard replacement, custom window replacement solutions in South Houston, TX can address non-traditional dimensions, specialty shapes, and layout changes. Bay window replacement ideas for South Houston, Texas homes often improve curb appeal while creating more natural light and interior space. Modern window replacement for homes in East End and South Houston, TX can also refresh outdated facades and add a cleaner, updated look. How to increase curb appeal with window replacement in South Houston, Texas, often comes down to matching frame color, grille style, and glass design with the architecture of the home. Soundproof window replacement for homes near South Houston, TX is especially useful for houses close to busy roads, rail lines, or commercial zones. Sound-reducing replacement windows near South Houston, Texas can help create a quieter indoor environment by using laminated glass, double pane construction, and tighter seals. Residential replacement windows near Pasadena and South Houston, TX often include noise control upgrades for homeowners who want better sleep, improved focus, and a more peaceful living space. Window replacement for homes near Beltway 8 South Houston, TX can also benefit from acoustic performance enhancements. Broken window replacement and repair services in South Houston, TX are important when damage creates safety issues, leaks, or exposure to the elements. Emergency broken window replacement South Houston, TX can restore security quickly after storms, accidents, or break-ins. Certified window replacement installers in South Houston and nearby Houston neighborhoods can assess whether a repair is enough or if a full replacement is the better long-term choice. Residential window upgrades in Greater Hobby Area South Houston, TX often begin with urgent fixes and continue with planned improvements for efficiency and appearance. Window replacement financing options in South Houston, TX can make larger projects easier to manage without delaying important upgrades. Many homeowners want energy-efficient window replacement South Houston, TX neighborhoods can rely on, but prefer flexible monthly payments instead of one large upfront cost. South Houston, TX window replacement services near me often include financing guidance, product comparisons, and bundled pricing for multiple openings. Window replacement quotes in Harris County, South Houston, TX should reflect labor, materials, warranty coverage, and any customization needed for patio and sliding glass window replacement South Houston, TX, or window replacement services for townhomes in South Houston, TX.